Click the Create Repair Request button if you would like to return a hardware device to Genfare to be repaired or replaced. This allows you to place a return merchandise authorization request. You might have, for example, a TRIN unit or a coin validator from a farebox that is not working properly. Click Create Repair Request and the repair intake form opens. Before you complete the repair intake form, you need to add an entry for the repair request in the Genfare Repair Request spreadsheet. Use this spreadsheet to tell us the part number for the device you want to replace, the serial number, a description of the problem, and whether the device is under warranty. Then, save this spreadsheet so you can add it to your request. If you already have a copy of this spreadsheet, you can open and edit it. If you don't, click the link shown on the repair intake form to download it to your computer. Note that we also accept this data as a Word document, PDF file, or text file. If you decide to use the template file we provide, find the Excel spreadsheet in your local Windows download folder. Open the spreadsheet, add an entry, and save it to your computer. If you don't know where to look for the serial number for the device, return to the repair intake form. Click the Serial Number Locator tool. When the form opens, scroll down until you find the device you plan to return to Genfare. In our example, this is the coin validator. When you find the serial number for the device, add it to the spreadsheet file. Here we demonstrate completing and saving the spreadsheet file. Save the spreadsheet file. Now let's complete the repair intake form. Enter the full name of your transit agency, your mailing address, and your name and email address. Provide a phone number we can use to reach you if needed. This might be your personal cell phone number. Don't worry, we won't share this information with anyone. Then, add your finished and saved spreadsheet to your RMA request. This is easy. Either click and drag the file to the box shown on the form or click Browse Files. Finally, you might want to add some notes or comments in the agency notes field to describe the problem. These notes will appear with the RMA record when you display it on the My RMA screen. When you are finished, click Submit. Wait for a few moments. You will receive an email message confirming your new RMA request. You will also receive email messages as the repair is processed. Return to Genfare Customer Portal and click My Repairs to list your pending RMA requests. Your new request should appear in a few minutes. You can open the request to see the status, the RMA number, when the repaired or new hardware is likely to be shipped, and more.